Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to install Blender 3D on your PC. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and search for Blender. And then click on the blender.org URL. Once inside the Blender website, press on this download Blender button. While the setup is being downloaded, I'm going to show you how to download the LTS version. Okay, once the download is finished, open up this setup file and then click next and select the part where you want to install your software. And press OK. Then press next again and click on install. Then the setup should install Blender 3D on your PC. Once the setup is finished, please click on the finish button. Now you can open up the start menu and find Blender 3D installed on your PC. Open it up and you'll see a screen like this when you open Blender for the first time. If you had a previous version of Blender installed, you'll be asked to import the preferences from that version. If not, you can select all your preferences here in this screen and then select Save New Preferences. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.